Ever wonder what this sticky golden substance is? This is natural tree resin, a powerful gift from nature, collected straight from the bark of special trees. For centuries, people have harvested this thick sap for everything from waterproofing and varnish to incense, medicine, and even ancient art. Carefully tapped without harming the tree, the resin hardens over time, but when warm, it flows like honey. Look at that color, rich, golden, almost like liquid amber. This natural material connects us to ancient traditions, and it's still used around the world today. From tree to treasure, this is the beauty of natural resin.